Ayo.
Hello everyone, my name is Farel Putra. Today I would like to give you a tutorial how to install Putty. The goal is successfully download and install Putty and how to use it. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Step 1 is open web browser like Chrome and find Putty. Putty download. Click this link and then click the download button. If your system operation using Windows, click the MSI for the Windows. If you using Mac iOS like Linux or something, then with Windows use the alternative binary files. And because I using Windows, I click the MSI link. Click the link download and we wait for the download and it's done and we're open it. We are located in download. Open, double click it. We um, just click next for the forms. Use the use just storage when yeah, next yes then finish. Then final activity and open it. This is enter your hostname server or IP. Uh, for example, I will use my IP server. Oh, wait, wrong IP. Sorry. We open it again. Yeah, I think my server is shut down. In this putty, we can remote. We can remote the server like make pro, web. We can make a web and yeah, we can make a web or something like. Okay, okay, that's all for me. Thank you.